What is up, family?
Today we're here at Disney's Blizzard Beach. It is finally open again. It opened on Sunday. We're gonna check it out and yeah, let's go. The park opened about 15 minutes ago. There's only about 30 cars in the parking lot right now. That is it. That's nothing. We're about to go inside. This is crazy, you guys. 30 cars. That means it's going to be empty. This park opened on Sunday, so it's only been open for a few days, and of course, a lot of things have changed. There's the sign in all its glory.
After you.
As you can see, the park operating hours are 11 a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m.
You hear the music?
The main hub area here with all the gift shops and the restaurant. Look at this, guys. Nobody is here right now. It's empty. It's just our family. Kenzie and Kaylee are so excited to finally see Buttons again. Buttons is the snowman here. All right, so you do have to wear a mask if you are in this main hub area, but that is about it. So once you cross over the bridge, you do not have to wear a mask anymore. All right, the folks at Sand Breakers are out. Good morning.
Oh wow, he did an amazing job.
The people at the cooling hut are just chilling out over here. Good morning. All right, and this is one of the bridges. If you cross this bridge, you get to take your mask off. So this is kind of the barrier. Looking down below at the lazy river. No one's in there right now. Avalanche is open once again, looking better than ever. All right, so as of right now, it is 10:30 a.m. The park has been open for about 30 minutes. It is still pretty empty. We've seen a few families, but look at this. It's empty. It's also a fairly cloudy day. All right, we get to choose any of these chairs. We get one right under the shade. How awesome is that?
Right now.
All right, Kenzie and Kaylee are gonna test out the water. Kenzie, test out the water. No? It's what? All right, Kenzie said it's warm. They're gonna try this out. How does the water feel? Kenzie said it was warm. Is it warm? It is? All right. All right, it's a race between Kenzie and Kaylee Kaylee won. How was it?
Amazing!
All right. Unfortunately, I don't have a waterproof cover, so I'm not gonna be able to take you guys on any slides today, but don't worry. We're still gonna show you guys a lot of stuff. All right, we had another race between Kyrie and Kiki. Who won? Who won?
Me.
Kaylee, what did you think of the slide? Was it as good as you remembered? Better? Boom. Oh, another race. Kenzie beat Dad by a long shot. All right, we're heading to Toboggan Racers. Let's do it. You're going on the slide. Our mom's staying, so she's gonna be the cameraman.
We're getting ready to see. We've got some overall times to beat here. 7.5 seconds for the Ice Skater. Frostbite Freddy, 12.19 seconds. Let's see if our crew can beat it.
We just went on the toboggan sleds, and it's gonna be a photo finish between me and my dad. We're gonna have to watch the replay. I don't know, guys. I can't tell. Did I win, or is it a tie between me and my dad? Let me know down in the comments who you think won. All right, we're heading to the next slide. Our mom is gonna film us coming out again, so we'll see you there. Holy guacamole, guys. We just went on this slide here. I don't know the name. This thing shoots you down so fast. Oh my word, you guys. This thing is crazy. And it actually is a racing slide, so you race your opponent. So cool. And the bell rings for whoever comes out first. Safe to say, that ride got me soaked. I want to point out that these slides all say 15-minute wait. That is not accurate. They are all a walk-on. There's no one at any of them. Only cast members. It is now 12 o'clock. The park has been open for 1 hour. It is still dead empty. A quick look at the main pool area over here. It is empty, so empty.
Next up is the Runoff Rapids. Here we go.
Yeah, so we just did the Runoff Rapids. It was amazing. They have two sets of slides that are identical. They're out in the open air. And then we have one slide that is a tube slide. And I've only done the tube slide today, and it's amazing.
I was totally like, whoa. And then I was like, whoa. And then, whoa. And at the end, whoa. And you gotta get real low, baby.
Yeah, so the Runoff Rapids are absolutely amazing. I took the dark slide every single time. There's lights in there, and it goes on for quite a while. It's really an amazing slide. Right now, me and Kyrie are heading to the top of Summit Plummet.
Hi everybody, this chairlift will start. Bienvenidos para que todo.
I have never felt so much fear before. Got it.
It's been a year since I've ridden that. That is way scarier than I remembered, but I would definitely do it again. It's fun. Justice?
Yeah, so we just did Summit Plummet. I'm sorry, you just saw us go down. That is an intense ride. I haven't been on it in like over a year.
In other words, you're terrified.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go on that again, honestly. Wow. Alright, so here's a look at the kid area at Blizzard Beach. It is empty. There's only 2 other kids besides Kaylee here right now, and we're gonna insert a video of her going on one of the slides.
What's that?
Going backwards.
Alright, it's time to
Their
show
names are Sarah
true
and
cast member magic. Kenzie and Kiki accidentally got hurt today. Kaylee got a little bit of a cut, and the cast members gave them free lollipops. And they did not have to do that. These lollipops cost like $5. So that was so kind of these cast members. They gave them to each of the little girls. Like, those cast members went above and beyond to make sure that we were okay. It is now 3 o'clock. The park has been open for quite some time. It is just as dead, almost, as when we got here. Wow, guys, it is so empty. We are making our way out of the park. I hope that this was an enjoying video for you guys. I feel so bad we could not take the camera on any of the slides, but we were not even planning on making a video today until we got here. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. All right, well, that is our day here at Disney's Blizzard Beach. We had a fantastic time. The new social distancing measures are not that bad. We really enjoyed ourselves. We're definitely coming back a lot. And as always, see you real soon.